Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get this Tinder Gold coupon code. If you wanted to get Tinder Gold for completely free like I did, then all you need to do is follow my steps. This will help you immensely because it will give you unlimited swipes and so on. Whatever Tinder Gold gives you, this coupon code will give you, but for free. You won't get to pay any money to get Tinder Gold for free. And guys, I'm so happy to be showing you the step-by-step process. Make sure you tell it to all of your friends so we can all use Tinder without any limitations. And guys, as you can see, I'll be having a screen recording on the side right here. So make sure you follow my steps that I'll show you in today's video. I have my phone in my hands right now. So what I want to do is enter Tinder so you can see that I have it for free. As you can see, I can tap on here right here and I'll get free Tinder Gold access. So let me show you how I got this result. It's super easy and super simple. So what we want to do first, guys, is actually enter our browsers. And you can use any browser that you usually like using. I'm going to be using my Safari one as always. Once I get to the Safari browser, I'll go to this website that you see on the screen. Once I get to the website, I can search through the apps to find the Tinder Gold Access coupon code or promo code. And what I'll do, once I find it, I will tap on it, of course, and try to get the Tinder Gold coupon code. As you can see, it is right here. It says free Tinder Gold coupon. What we want to do is tap on it, and there we'll see a rating, which is an almost perfect rating, 4.9 stars. And also, guys, we can see that there are only 10 days until this coupon code actually expires. So make sure you get it as soon as possible. There are 856 codes left, so make sure you share it with your friends so they can get it as well. Now, guys, we can see the show code option right there. So what I'll do is tap on the show code option. And once I do, we can see that it says unlock code. So what I do once I get to this stage is I tap on unlock code and it will start loading in the code. And that's basically it, guys. That's the whole process that you need to take. Just make sure you followed every step that I showed you in the process, guys. And that's all you need to do. Maybe they will ask you to complete some type of process for them. And if they do, make sure you follow each and every instruction that they give you to get to the Tinder Gold access. And guys, that's it for today. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye!